Hey everyone, my name is Ashish Joseph and this is the chord breakdown of my single called Something More. So the song is basically on a B minor scale, but for me I usually prefer doing a drop D standard tuning because I like doing it on a C sharp minor. So the major chords of this song are basically C sharp minor 7, we've got an open A, we've got a B, we've got a normal D, this is an E actually. We also have an F sharp minus, we've got a G sharp minor over B. There are a couple of dirty chords where we look at A minor for the bridge, a B minor for the bridge also, and a high B and a A also. So these are the major chords, but when we come into the riff aspect of it, it is basically like a C sharp hammered on. It goes like. So it goes like that. So it's a hammer on. So that's the riff actually. Now when it comes to the verse section of it, it's more like more than what it meets the eyes, the way it feels at heart. The little things that stay behind, always on my mind. So it goes like the same thing across. And my favorite portion of the song is basically the pre-chorus where we look at the Mama says I'm just crazy for what I see. Maybe I've just been crazy for the feels just gotta be. So for that dirty chord, there's a C sharp minus 7 and there's a C sharp minus 6 that goes like. So I love this chord in the song because it kind of adds a weird color to it. So I keep using this in the chorus also. For example, gotta be something more. You gotta know there's something true. I just gotta let you know there's gotta be something more. There's gotta be. So it goes for the riff again. For the bridge, so people who are still listening, the bridge is like this. More. So it goes for an F sharp, G sharp minor, A minor. We go for a B minor also, and we go back to a G sharp minor. Hey, gotta be, should it be something more, 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 more? Yeah. Gotta be something more. So it goes like that. But I hope you guys enjoy doing this song for yourself. And I'm looking forward for the renditions that you guys have in place and wish you all the best and hope you like this song as much as I do. Take care, guys. No, dude, this is enough. Done. No, dude, I can't play too much, man. This is enough.